Hey Braze users, I'm Jessica and welcome back to another Braze Bites. Today we're going to be talking about preference centers, why they matter and how they reduce unsubscribes, and how you can quickly set one up in Braze. As marketers, we put a lot of effort into building our audiences, but when unsubscribe rates climb or spam complaints rise, it's not just frustrating, it's a real business risk. Often the issue comes down to frequency or relevance. If a customer usually gets one email a week and suddenly starts receiving three, that shift can feel intrusive. And when customers don't feel in control, the easiest option for them to do is to unsubscribe completely. Or worse, mark your emails as spam. That's where preference centers come in. They let customers tell you what content they actually want and how often they want it. Instead of leaving your list entirely, they can fine tune their experience. The result, fewer unsubscribes, stronger engagement, and more trust, because you're showing your customers their preferences do matter. Let's use our fictional retailer brand, Covalent Threads, as an example of how to set up a preference center. But before you build a preference center itself, you'll need to define your subscription groups. These organize your communications and become the building blocks of your preference center. For this example, we'll create 3 subscription groups, starting with flash sales for deal seekers who want instant updates, new arrivals for trend-focused shoppers, and lastly, seasonal collections for curated drops tied to specific times of year. With the subscription groups we created, we're going to head over to the Audience tab and select Email Preference Centers. Click on Create New. To decide which subscription groups will appear in your Preference Center, click Add Subscription Groups and select the groups you just created. Next, don't forget to customize your confirmation page. This is the page users will see after saving their preferences. You can preview how it looks by selecting the Preview tab. One important call out here is you cannot fully test your preference center live. To see exactly how it renders for your customers, you'll need to create and launch a campaign. Once the preference center is ready, you're going to name it, and then we're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom and select Launch Preference Center. Now to place a link to the preference center within your email, we're going to copy the liquid tag provided, and then we're going to head over to the campaign I created specifically for Covalent Threads. This one's a promotional email offering customers a discount code to shop online. Scrolling all the way to the bottom of our campaign, in the custom footer is where we're going to place our liquid code for our preference center. That way, customers can easily manage the types of communications they want to receive. We're going to highlight the text that we want to drop the liquid to. And then once you drop the liquid, we're going to click OK, and you're all set from there. Now your customers can see a clean, simple page where they can choose which communications they like, instead of just unsubscribing from everything or even spamming. By using preference centers as part of your marketing strategy, you'll reduce full unsubscribes, improve engagement, and give customers the control they expect. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment, give us a like, and visit us at covalentmarketing.com for more Braze content like this. Thanks for watching.